you'll have a chance to take a classmate to the wall. To the wall first to win a paw print to BW3.
Number 1. Solution on this is to get a marker other than white first. There we go. To get 3 and then square that to come up with 9. Multiply the 9 by 2. That's 18. And then add 3 to that to get 21. There. Minus 2 is 19. Number 2. Answer is 84. Everybody had that. Number 3. Solution on this is 7 plus 10 plus 6 minus 8. It all comes down to 15. Number 4. For this one, you're going to have a 2 there and a 4 there. Square them to get 16, and then over here you'll have a 4 again. Square that to get 16. So it's 48 and 32, which is 80, and subtract 2, 78. Pick a number from 1 to 10 and drop it off up here. Winning number today is 1. Homework check will be up here. You can start getting into the line according to what order your name comes in. Bring up the answers to 1, 2, and 3 to start with. 15, 6, and 67. Bring up 4 through 6. 88, 1, and 25. Bring up the answers to 7 through 9. Answers are 17, 25, and 121. Bring up the answers to 10 through 12. Answers are 25, 30, and 75. Bring up 13 through 15. 24, 42, and 70. Any questions about the homework assignment? The objective today is 9th grade number sense, and operation 3, the same as yesterday. And the specific learning target is cubes, squares, roots, and quantities. Probably more heavy on quantities today. Example problem number 1. The cube root of 729 plus the cube root of 512. So the cube root of 729 is 9, and what is the cube root of 512? Eight. So the final answer is 17. Example number 2. What is the square root of 576? The square root of 625 is 25. So what is the square root of 576? 24. What is the square root of 361? 19. What's the final answer? 43, yes. Practice problem number 1. Drop this off. For the practice problem, that's 13 plus 11. The answer should be 24. Bonus problem. This should be 20 minus 15. The answer is 5. Answer on the bonus is 1. Practice problem number 2. On the practice problem, you should have 7 minus 4, which is 3. Solution on the bonus should have been 8 plus 10, which is 18. We will go back to the practice now. That should be 24. This is 8 times 3 is 24.
Oh, I did it like
Number 2. Answer is 55. Number 3. Answer is 28.
We go to 8.
Answer is 64. Answer is 88. Time for example problem number 3. Now we have quantity similar to last night. 3 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And then plus 2 times 4. Square root of 16 is 4. And you have to square all this when you get finished with it. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. To square something on that red calculator, you type in the number, which in this case would be 14, and then hit the x squared button. You should get back 196. Example number 4. Cube roots. The cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of 1 is what? 1. Okay, so we'll have 10 minus 2 is 8, and square that to get 64. You should have 2 times 5 plus 3 times 2, and that will give you 10 plus 6, which is 16. Square that. 256 is the answer. For the bonus, you should have 4 times, need a white marker there, 4 times 4 minus 2 times 2. That is 16 minus 4. Square the result. Answer is 144. Alright, for this one you'll have 2 times 4 and then 2 times 3. That's something Gilkey would have done. 8 minus 6 is 2, and square that to get 4. You should have 3 plus 2, which is 5, and then square that to get 25.